going to use a pack of celery sticks to make celery juice. Got this from the supermarket. It says organic. If you don't have the organic one, you can also wash the one you have very well to eliminate the pesticide residue. Pesticides are chemicals that are sprayed on the plants to help them, to protect them from pests and diseases. Pests could be insects, could be any of those microorganisms that affect the plants during their growing period. So I'm going to wash this. I'm not going to be using these parts. So I'm going to wash. I'll be using to wash it very well. The sugar is not, the taste of the orange is not really showing from there, but you can definitely feel the tingling taste of the ginger. And the celery is not it's not bitter, so that's great. Really good. It's my first time drinking celery juice, and I would definitely recommend it. I was afraid I might not be able to drink it. That was why I added orange and ginger, but it's actually okay.